Hello everyone. Today is Teachers Day and I am a teacher of today. So I am dealing with post-colonial paper, and in that one I want to discuss about Black Skin White Mask, which novel is written by Frantz Fanon. So let's start it. Frantz Fanon, his time 1925 to 1961. He was a writer, political philosopher, revolutionary, and also psychiatrist. Here one quote by him: "There is but one destiny for the black man, and it is white," which is regarded with our novel also. Works of Fanon, Black Skin, White Mask, The Fact of Blackness, Towards the African Revolution, and so on. Black Skin, White Mask, the novel, which was published in 1952. This novel has divided into 8 chapters. We will discuss all chapters in brief. So let's see. The first chapter, The Black Man and Language. This chapter deals with the language of white people and language of black people. The language of white people is at a center, but the language of black people is at a periphery. So if the black people will not learn the language of white people, they will not get the value in the society. French language is spoken by white people, and the Creole, which is one of dialect of French. In the second chapter, The Woman of Color and the White Man. In this chapter we can see that black women want to marry with white men, and they want to get value in the society, and they also want to the white skin which has white women. So there are many product of fairness in this market, and they that grow faster and faster. We can take one example of Toni Morrison's Bluest Eyes, and in that novel, one girl who want a blue eyes, the man of color and the white woman. Here in this chapter we can see the opposition of chapter 2. Here black men want to marry with white woman, because they want also superiority in society, and they also influence under the white culture and the rule. White represent wealth, beauty, intelligence, and virtue, but the black people, how kind of thinking they have, that they are inferior than white people. In next one, in this chapter, Fanon's view about people of color have a deep desire for white rules, that those who opposite it to do not have a secure sense of self, that they have a chip on their shoulders. In this chapter we come to understand that the stereotypes of happy dark is uppity negroes, means who are black, and white saviors all come from the need of white people to feel that their power in society is good and not racist. It is all about the power and racism. In the next chapter, The Fact of Blackness. Here Fanon talk about and express his own experience, because he was a doctor, but he didn't get any value of that he was a educational, and so we can see that or say that education does not matter in that discrimination, because he was a doctor, even though he can't get the value as white get. The next chapter, The Black Man and Psychopathology. In this chapter, the question is about fear. Black man has a fear from the white man, and white man has a fear from black man and also white, because they white people think that black will tax white woman from them, so they are in fear. So here we can say that black people are not one who have fear of white, but white people have also fear from black man and also from white. So here we can say that white people also feel like inferior or powerless. In the next chapter, the black man and recognition. Here we say the two part or two section. One is the Negro and Adler. In this section, Fanon applies Adler's personality theory to the Antillean Negro. How Antillean Negro act towards each other. Question blackness or racism. Question about the intellectuality and also question about the value. Section B. The Negro and Hegel. In the second section, Fanon applies Hegel's master-slave dialectic. When we talk about the slave and master, we see the marginalization, and also here Hegel was a philosopher, and Fanon also argue against him, and Hegel said that black people also saw by or look by other, but how? That is the thing. So we can say that in this chapter, Fanon talk about the marginalization of black people and colonizer white world. By way conclusion, it is our chapter number 8. Fanon throughout the book deals with the inner struggle of black. When they were colony, the black man, and language deals with language. Here we saw the ideal of blackness, notion of desire, and idea of identity. What is humanism? The book Our Black Skin, White Mask also deals with the various questions and dilemma faced by all humans, not only about the black people or white people, but also there are so many kind of questions in the society. Its power lies in the fact that remains surprisingly optimistic in spite of its area subject matter. The nature of blackness is within the mind justify with this novel. So I select some come to conclusion with these kind of things. So racism, inferior and superior. So racism is the things that is not natural. If you have a black skin or white skin, it is natural, but when you make that I am a white, that's why I'm superior, and you are black, that's why you are inferior and you are powerless. This is not a natural thing, it is a produced by the society. Inferior and superiority, when we produce this kind of thinking in society, the mentality will automatically create this kind of thing. And so blackness and the black people will think that they are inferior than white. Blackness here question is that blackness is only about the skin or anything else, because if you are black, then even you white with your goodness, your good nature and personality. But if you are white, and then even you are not good person or not a good one, so then it is a black black thinking with a white skin. Here society or culture, we can see that thinking and mentality will produce the society's rules and culture as well. Here one line from the Fanon says that oh, my body always make me a man who work questions. Conclusion: Black Skin White Mask is remain important work to give voice to the problem of racial discrimination to black people. It attacked the notion white superiority. Black people have desire to become white because being white is man superior, so they have a desire to become a white. And even mulatto mixed race people find problem in matching with either white or black. People feel superior among black and inferior among white people. So it is gives voice to such a issue of society, and there are so many issue in this society. So this is thank you and happy Teachers Day.